Hey Brett, this is a quick demo video for you for your creepy uncle right here. Just got it all done tonight. So this is installed with Proffie 2.2 stock NeoPixel. You have a removable battery system in here and then access to your board. So this has my custom chassis in it. So let's go over it a little bit. This is where your battery is sitting right here, so you're not going to want to unscrew this guy at all. And then you don't want to unscrew this either, because obviously there's wires coming all the way from your board down here past your battery and to your NeoPixel connectors. So what I did was we opened this from the back. You got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost bass speaker in there. So this is in there a little snug. Sometimes I just hit it on the desk, and you want that to pop out just like that. So be careful, you don't have to hit it so hard, and you want to do it on a table or something because you don't want that to fall out, because this is its own separate piece. It's its own separate component. This is the speaker housing, and then a Dean's connector right there. Now you do have a peg that I 3D printed right here to help you line it up in there. So you can see right there. You can see right over on this side is the hole that the peg goes into, and it lines it up so that the Dean connector over here will connect with this guy. And then there's a hole right here that goes over that recharge port so that the kill key doesn't interfere with it. So what I've been doing is I'm using these because I have them, but if you just have a pair of tweezers, you can just reach right in there and pull the kill key. Once you pull it, of course you won't hear it, but you can see your LEDs going. Just like that. So we're going to put the speaker in here. You just want to be careful, line it up. Straight up and down like this also lines up with your two sides of your speaker that I wired too. So you can see those. I mean, you just want to be careful and line it up perfect and then go in there. The first couple times you do it might be a little awkward for you, but then you'll feel it go. And it pushes right in there. Just like that. So it'll look like that. It is modeled for this to go slide over the speaker. Just like this. Clamps right down in there. It goes as far as it will go. No problem. You see your LEDs. I'll turn the light off. Your back button here is your activation. So we'll hit that. Then green when it's on. You can see your pixels. Flash on flash. Auxiliary. Turn it off. And then it starts flashing again. Hit your auxiliary to change sound fonts.
You ever hear the tragedy of Darth Plagueis the Wise?
Sounds really good.
What about that ship? Someone stop it! They got shooting!
Nice and loud. Sounds amazing. All that's working just like it should. LEDs working like they should. And then of course to get this back out, we're going to unscrew this guy, and similar to, well, actually exactly how we got it out when we wanted to pull the kill key. You can see I'm just kind of hitting the side of it on the table until it pops out just enough to for it to be able to pull out with your fingers. Now I had to put it back in there because I didn't want your bass speaker to be right up against the metal of this guy. It slides in just like that. Now, if this were tight to it just like that in there, when you got the bass in your speaker, you'd hear the rattle in your hilt. So we had to back that chassis up a little bit, but no biggie. So that's what we got there. And then you can see in there, you do have access to your board on the bottom, and then your USB right there on top. And that board is put in there in a way where it will not slide back. It's got its own shelf in there that is custom built for the length and width of the board. And we'll put the kill key in there like that, and then we just carefully slide the speaker right back in where it goes, and you can feel it when it's locked in place. It goes in pretty easy. And that, sir, is your hilt. I will get it out in the mail to you tomorrow. Thank you.